Take command of the road in the 2007 BMW 3 Series. This four-door, five-passenger sedan has not yet reached the 100,000-mile mark. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 230 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as a tachometer, front dual-zone air conditioning, front fog lights, power moonroof, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, rain-sensing wipers, and cruise control. BMW also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. When road conditions become unpredictable, rely on all-wheel drive to maintain outstanding control. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.